actually have to make a part 2 because it stopped recording and I found it depressing.
Yes, do you like your life or something else?
Like, I'm frustrated. Like, I'm not gonna do anything. I even forgot what color we put.
So you want not first?
No. Color all the way across.
Huh?
I'm not talking to you, little boy. And sometimes we do like some stuff to Laura that which we do some stuff to Dora. Yeah.
They don't
And
even know
like
who that is.
I'm telling them about her. And I'll just show you guys what we do to her. It might be funny, it might not. Who cares? I was reviews.
I'll grab. I'll show them what we do there.
Do what?
We do more.
No. I said at the end. I have so many markers of green. Well, if your whole entire paper fills up, go to the back.
What?
And that's what I have to end up doing. Finally, my last green marker. Hold on. Feels like I'm missing something. Zach, I borrow one of your markers. Oh. Never mind. What? Actually, I didn't use it. This one. And this one. Is actually not my last color. If you hear that noise, my brother's trying to get yarn off of a piece of pencil, like a pencil. Like, we wrapped yarn around the pencil, and now we tried taking it off. And it becomes a masterpiece.
I'm sick of this.
Does that look like the same thing? It is. This one's my brother's. Mm. Mm. My last marker. Now we're gonna do, what do we use to do? We're gonna do color pencil. I do know we would do like crayon and stuff, but like we're not doing that. Come on, let me sharpen some color pencils right quick. I should have sharpened them before I started, but like I'm gonna have to do it right now. That's good enough. Mm.
You gotta find y'all a nice out and clean this up first.
Okay.
Clean this shit up or y'all ain't going nowhere.
Sorry about that, guys. He just said a cuss word and I'm recording. Okay, stop the video. Bye, guys. No, I can't stop it. Okay. Guys, we're not gonna use all the colors, but we need to do a speed run. Actually, yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to stop the video. I'll do a part 3, or you guys just try doing this on your own. Bye. Okay, this is what we actually do. Wait, can I do it too? Can I do it too?